If you're seeing the Gmail error 2008, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen because of a browser glitch, bad cached data, an extension conflict, or even a temporary Gmail service outage. The good news is that you can test and fix it in just a few minutes. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is test Gmail in Incognito Mode. This helps you find out whether the issue is being caused by your normal browser settings, saved cookies, or extensions. To do that, open your browser and click the three-dot menu in the top corner. Then choose New Incognito Window if you're using Chrome, or Private Window if you're using another browser. Once the private window opens, go to mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. Now check whether Gmail loads properly. If Gmail works in incognito mode, that usually means the problem is coming from your browser data or one of your extensions, not from Gmail itself. If Gmail still isn't working, the next step is to clear your browser data. Over time, cookies and cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can trigger errors like this. To clear it, click the three-dot menu again in your browser and go to Delete Browsing Data, or the equivalent option in your browser. Make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. You do not always need to erase everything, so start with those two options first. Then click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and go back to Gmail to test it again. In many cases, this alone will fix the issue. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions can interfere with how Gmail loads and functions. To test this, open the browser menu, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any extensions that could affect Gmail, especially ad blockers, script blockers, VPN-related extensions, or privacy protection tools. Once they're disabled, refresh Gmail and see if it starts working normally. If Gmail loads after disabling extensions, you found the cause. You can then turn the extensions back on one at a time to identify which one was causing the error. Now, if none of those steps have worked, there's one more thing you should check, and that's the Google Workspace or Gmail service status. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all, but on Google's side. To confirm that, open a new tab and go to google.com/appstatus/dashboard. On that page, you can check whether Gmail is currently experiencing an outage or service disruption. If Gmail is having server issues, there's nothing you need to fix on your end except waiting for Google to resolve it. If the dashboard shows everything is operational, then the issue is more likely related to your browser or account setup. So to quickly recap, if you get Gmail error 2008, first try Gmail in incognito mode, then clear cookies and cached files, then disable browser extensions, and finally check the Google Service Status dashboard. Most of the time, one of these steps will get Gmail working again without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.